2025 Wallke X3 Pro Max all-wheel drive, the ultimate all-terrain e-bike. Before we get rolling, I'd appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. It helps show the video to other riders like you, and I read all the comments. A lot of the feedback in those comments shapes what I cover in these reviews, so I really appreciate hearing your thoughts. In 2021, I purchased my first e-bike, the Wallke X3 Pro, selected as the most feature-rich, high-quality folding e-bike I could find at the time. A friend bought the same model, and we rode them extensively across suburban streets, rural dirt roads, open desert, and mountain horse trails. We often cycled 5 miles to a local sports grill or the breakfast place. I accumulated nearly 1,500 miles on the 2021 X3 Pro, finding its performance reliable and versatile across various terrains and use cases. In 2023, I upgraded to the latest model, which introduced a larger 22 amp-hour battery, beefier brakes, a brake light and horn, a better headlight, and enhanced electronics. Another 900 miles on all kinds of terrain and loads of fun. So that brings me to the X3 Pro Max, Wallke's new all-wheel drive, all-terrain powerhouse for 2025. If you've been following my channel, you already know Wallke bikes are built with premium components and designed for serious performance and comfort. But this one takes things to the next level. The X3 Pro is purpose-built for people who want big power, long range, and all-terrain capability. Whether you're commuting, trail riding, or taking on steep climbs with gear in tow, this is a bike that won't let you down. Let's break down what makes the X3 Pro such a standout in Wallke's already impressive lineup: power and range. This e-bike is powered by a 750-watt rear hub motor, and unlike most bikes, it can be upgraded with a second 750 on the front wheel for full all-wheel drive capability. With both motors engaged, you get all-wheel drive traction and a combined 1,500 watts of power that climbs, tows, and powers through sand, snow, or mud. You also get serious battery capacity, 44 amp-hours in total, with a 22 amp-hour in-frame battery plus a second 22 amp-hour rear-mounted. That gives you enough power for extended rides without needing to recharge midday. Wallke includes keyed locks on both batteries for added security. The bike supports programmable ride modes, 3, 5, or 7 levels of assist, and also features drive mode switching, rear only, front only, or all-wheel drive. So you can dial in power and traction to suit any terrain or riding style. On flat pavement with just the rear motor, you can hit over 30 miles per hour. With all-wheel drive engaged, speed and acceleration both increase, especially when climbing hills or carrying cargo. Frame, suspension, and comfort. The frame is a rugged aluminum alloy folding design, but don't let the word folding fool you. This is a full-size, heavy-duty bike with a frame stand to protect the chainring when folded. It rides more like a motorcycle than a compact commuter bike. Wallke's coil spring front shocks and multi-link rear suspension system pair with 4-par all-terrain tires and a wide Ultra Comfort Deluxe seat to create one of the smoothest rides I've experienced. It soaks up rough roads, broken pavement, and off-road surfaces like a champ. Mag wheels reduce weight while increasing strength, and the tough polymer fenders resist dings and bumps far better than metal ones. It's built to take a beating and keep riding. Power delivery and control. The Shimano 7-speed drivetrain is paired with an SIS cassette and a heavy-duty 55T chainring. There's a chain guard on the outside to protect pants and reduce chain slap, though it doesn't have a second inner guard. A motorcycle-style twist throttle on the right handlebar gives you instant motor control when you want it. While it does group throttle, brake, shift, and horn on the same side, I found it manageable after just a little riding. The pedal assist is smooth and smart, and you'll feel the motor ramp in naturally as you pedal. Walk mode is also available for helping push the bike up hills or across tricky terrain. Handling and safety. Dual piston Logan hydraulic brakes paired with 203mm discs give the X3 Pro powerful and reliable stopping performance, even at speed and even when loaded. The puncture-resistant, steel-belted all-terrain tires are perfect for sand, gravel, asphalt, and just about anything else. In desert riding, where thorns and sharp rocks are everywhere, it's a relief not having to upgrade tires with slime and liners. Built-in reflectors on the wheels and pedals boost your visibility, and the rugged all-terrain kickstand keeps the bike upright and steady even on uneven ground. Lighting and display. Lighting on the X3 Pro is outstanding. The 1000 lumen multi-zone headlight is a motorcycle grade system. It throws a strong beam forward but also lights up the sides and the ground directly in front of you, helping you spot obstacles without the super bright beam blinding oncoming drivers. This is the best headlight I've seen on an e-bike. Out back, you get an integrated taillight with a smooth automotive-style brake light, visible even in daylight. The bright horizontal TFT display is also new. It's fully visible in sunlight and auto-adjusts at night. It shows speed, battery level, ride mode, trip distance, elapsed time, and max speed. The 5-button controller gives you one-touch access to everything. No cycling through combos to find basic functions. Phone app integration. The display is Bluetooth enabled and integrates with a downloadable phone app available for iOS and Android. It can display or change various parameters like power mode, display units, or reset the trip functions. The app is also supposed to add several features: GPS navigation, ride recording, bike location tracking, and diagnostics. That said, the app purports to provide navigation, but I couldn't find a way to specify the map provider. So without an actual map display, the bike position indicator in the middle of a blank screen wasn't at all useful. This pretty much negates navigation and ride recording and bike location. There's also mention of a proximity lock unlock feature, but I didn't find any reference to it in the app, so I was unable to test it. The app hasn't been updated in the 6 months since its first release, so it's doubtful there's any work happening on its deficiencies. Extras. There are lots of thoughtful touches here. Folding pedals help when storing or transporting the bike. The adjustable stem lets you fine-tune handlebar reach. There's a loud electric horn that works well in traffic, and the key lock frame and dual battery locks provide solid security. Riding impressions. This is one of the most fun bikes I've ridden. It has loads of speed and torque, and the fat tires with all-wheel drive make off-road riding an absolute blast. The ride is smooth and solid even on bad pavement. You feel secure and in control even at higher speeds. The design turns heads, literally. I had multiple people come over and ask about the bike when on an errand to Home Depot. The eye-catching sky blue frame with gradient graphics gives it a premium, high-tech look. Most important, if you ever tire out during a long ride, the X3 Pro will absolutely get you home. This is a bike you can rely on, no matter the distance or the terrain. So, final thoughts. This is a serious machine with range, comfort, speed, and strength. It's a bike that can easily replace a second car. Looking back, the 2025 model takes everything that made the original X3 such a rewarding experience and turns it up a notch. It delivers on all the features that mattered back then, while adding new capabilities and refinements that make it feel like a true evolution. If you're looking for a powerful, all-terrain e-bike with long range, comfort, and intelligent design, the new Wallke X3 Pro Max needs to be at the top of your list. It's got features most bikes in this category can't touch, and the fit and finish make it clear this is a high-end machine. Wallke continues to raise the bar, and the new top model shows they're not backing down anytime soon. If you want more info, check out the links in the description. And as always, ride safe, ride smart, and enjoy the ride.